Hey guys, I hope everybody had a Merry Christmas and got lots of nice 928 parts under the tree this year. I spent the last few days working on my 87 S4, specifically removed the valve covers and getting them powder coated. Gonna put in new valve cover gaskets as well as new chain tensioners and cam seals. And then new pins as well for the oil pressure at the rear of the head. So waiting for some parts to come in, waiting for the powder coater to get caught up with those items and get them powder coated back to me. In the meantime, I was able to use my good neighbor and good friend, his car lift, and towed my car over to his place, which is around the corner, and decided to tackle the engine mounts, and took me about 4 to 5 hours to remove everything. Took my time, just went slowly. You can see I've got the rack removed right here, dropped down, and I'm gonna replace the rack bushings while I'm at it because they are definitely mushroomed and very soft. And you can see that on the right hand side, engine mounts removed. And left hand side pretty much the same. I got the cross member actually at my place. I'm degreasing it, cleaning it, and gonna send it off to be powder coated as well. And you can see the new bushings, the new mount, sorry. Right here, the one on the left is the original one from 87. The one on the right is a replacement. I would say there's about 1/2 inch to 3/4 of an inch of settlement between the old one and the new one. And getting ready to put everything back in here once I get all the parts back from being powder coated, and looking forward to seeing how the car drives and how it feels with all the new stuff in it. At the same time, I'm going to address a leak I have on the oil pan, and you can see it's a bit wet under here, and I bought a stainless steel stud kit with a silicone gasket. So I'm actually going to get ready to drop the oil pan right now and clean it all up, and then install the new stuff. So looking forward to getting the engine nice and dry, addressing some leaks, taking care of some things, and hope you guys like the video. I've been real busy. It's been a lot of work, but it's coming together. So we'll talk to you here and provide some updates once I get stuff installed back in. Thanks.